In this video, we're going to talk about deleting the automatic closed captions on YouTube. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. To never miss out on a video, please make sure you're subscribed to our channel and click on the bell to get notified when a new video is uploaded. If you're looking for one-to-one training, please click above and connect with us on our Patreon page. So one of the 9 steps to YouTube optimization is correcting your closed captions and transcriptions. You do this for the hard of hearing to be able to read your correct script, as well as for Google to be able to read your correct keywords in the video. Once you have edited and updated your closed captions, you're going to have to go and delete the automatic closed captions, so only your corrected closed captions will be shown. To do this, go back to your video, click on Subtitles/CC, click on English Automatic, then click on Unpublish and Delete. Now the automatic closed caption will be deleted and only the corrected closed captions you made will be visible on this video. I hope this helps you be more successful with your video optimization, and please review our playlist on the 9 steps to YouTube optimization to not miss a step. Till next week, stay engaging.